Tucked along the sparkling coast of Southern California lies a military city within a city, Naval Base San Diego. But beneath its calm surface lies a massive war engine, quietly powering America's naval supremacy in the Pacific. Most people see the palm trees and blue skies, never realizing that this base can deploy fleets, launch missions, and mobilize thousands in an instant. So how did it become the core of U.S. sea dominance? The answer will blow your mind. What began as a modest coaling station in the early 20th century has transformed into the beating heart of the U.S. Navy's Pacific operations. Naval Base San Diego is now home to more than 50 ships and over 150 tenant commands. It's a floating city, constantly alive with movement, strategy, and stealth. But its rise to power wasn't easy. It was carved out through wars, political maneuvering, and technological evolution. And its secrets still unfolding today. During World War II, this base exploded in size, literally and strategically. As battles raged across the Pacific, San Diego became the launch pad for U.S. carriers, destroyers, and submarines heading into combat. It wasn't just a support facility, it became a lifeline for victory. While Pearl Harbor drew headlines, San Diego quietly fueled the fight from behind the curtain. Its role was critical, yet remains overshadowed in many history books, until now. After the war, the Cold War era turned San Diego into a nerve center of surveillance, nuclear deterrence, and maritime innovation. Spy ships, experimental submarines, and advanced communication hubs turned this once sleepy port into a strategic titan. From monitoring Soviet movements to managing Pacific readiness, Naval Base San Diego became a silent warrior, constantly preparing for a battle that, fortunately, never came. But make no mistake, readiness became its strongest weapon. Today, Naval Base San Diego is more than a dock. It's a global command center. With the rise of tensions in the South China Sea, the base is again on high alert. Ships dock here fully loaded with AI-powered systems, missile defense platforms, and unmanned capabilities. Thousands of sailors train and operate in what may be America's most important line of maritime defense. And its reach, it extends far beyond the San Diego Bay. So what does the future hold for Naval Base San Diego? As warfare goes digital and threats evolve faster than ever, this base is undergoing a silent revolution. From quantum navigation to drone fleets, it's preparing for wars we haven't even imagined. In this video, we dive deep into the untold history, the secret missions, and the evolving power of Naval Base San Diego, the hidden force guarding America's dominance at sea. Stay tuned. This is one mission you don't want to miss. Long before Naval Base San Diego became a cornerstone of American sea power, the land it occupies was used for commercial shipping. In the early 1900s, entrepreneur John D. Spreckles acquired the land for his private fleet operations. He built docks and piers to support his interests, unknowingly laying the groundwork for a future military empire. The base's strategic position, close to the Pacific and protected by natural harbor formations, made it ideal for something far greater. As tensions rose during World War I, the U.S. government recognized the strategic value of San Diego's harbor. In 1919, the Navy formally acquired the land, establishing what was then called U.S. Destroyer Base San Diego. Its mission was straightforward: repair, refuel, and resupply destroyers patrolling the West Coast. But even at that time, visionary leaders saw the potential for expansion. By 1922, the base was fully operational, signaling San Diego's deeper involvement in national defense. The outbreak of World War II triggered an unprecedented expansion of the base. From a modest destroyer dockyard, Naval Base San Diego evolved into a sprawling complex, supporting cruisers, carriers, and submarines. Its dry docks worked 24/7, repairing battle-damaged ships returning from the Pacific theater. Thousands of sailors, engineers, and shipwrights flooded in. During this time, San Diego became second only to Pearl Harbor in terms of Pacific Fleet operations, though much of its activity remained out of public view. Following World War II, many bases across the U.S. scaled down, but not San Diego. The emergence of the Cold War and the sudden outbreak of the Korean War meant this base was needed more than ever. Naval Base San Diego adapted rapidly, supporting deployments across East Asia. It became the West Coast's primary ship repair and logistics center. Aircraft carriers, troop transports, and guided missile cruisers cycled through its piers as Cold War tensions escalated across the Pacific Rim. During the 1960s and 70s, Naval Base San Diego reached new levels of activity as the Vietnam War demanded a constant flow of U.S. naval power. Ships rotated in and out of Vietnamese waters, stopping at San Diego for repairs, supplies, and personnel changes. The base played a quiet but crucial role in sustaining America's long and controversial presence in Southeast Asia. It also began upgrading older vessels and integrating emerging technologies like radar and missile systems. By the 1980s, the base was no longer just about ship maintenance. It had become a hub of advanced military technology. As Ronald Reagan ramped up defense spending, San Diego became a staging area for cutting-edge systems, including the Aegis combat system and nuclear-powered warships. Intelligence coordination, electronic warfare, and satellite-linked operations all became part of daily operations. At the height of the Cold War, Naval Base San Diego wasn't just regional, it had become global in reach and capability. After the September 11th attacks, the base shifted focus toward rapid deployment and homeland defense. It supported major operations in Afghanistan and Iraq, becoming a launching point for expeditionary strike groups and hospital ships. Naval Base San Diego adapted again, this time to asymmetric warfare. Surveillance systems, counterterrorism training, and cyber readiness were all enhanced. It wasn't just about firepower anymore. It was about speed, flexibility, and intelligence-driven missions in an unpredictable global landscape. Today, Naval Base San Diego is the principal home port of the U.S. Pacific Fleet's surface combatants. It hosts over 50 ships and supports more than 35,000 military and civilian personnel. With rising tensions in the Indo-Pacific, especially involving China, the base is under constant modernization. From drone fleet integration to artificial intelligence, San Diego is becoming the backbone of future naval warfare. It's no longer just a base, it's a living, breathing nerve center of American power projection. Naval Base San Diego isn't just steel, concrete, and ships. It's a symbol of endurance, adaptation, and quiet dominance. From World War II to the digital age, it has evolved with every threat, every conflict, and every innovation. While much of its mission remains classified, one thing is clear: this base stands ready for whatever challenge the future holds. If this glimpse into America's naval powerhouse fascinated you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more untold military histories. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. We read every one. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the most powerful stories are often hidden in plain sight.